This is a series of educational videos that will help you to learn and understand more about meditation and stress. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you continue to receive more valuable videos. Why should we meditate? The reason is that meditation reduces stress levels and alleviates anxiety. If we can reduce stress, many health benefits follow. Knowledge of self-meditation enables us to have a deeper understanding of our inner self. Through meditation we can gain a better understanding of our life's purpose.
What is meditation? Meditation is the art of silencing the mind. When the mind is silent, concentration is increased and we experience inner peace in the midst of worldly turmoil. This elusive inner peace is what attracts so many people to meditation and is a quality everyone can benefit from.
In the next video we shall discuss about the benefits of meditation. Please voice out your thoughts in the comments section below. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, in order to keep up to date with all the awesome content in the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.